Dollar index daily time frame. Last week Fed tried again his hawkish streak, but price could not break above 105.430 horizontal resistance. This is important level. If this breakout, then because of strong dollar, you can say economic crisis, same like 1 year ago, it will start immediately. And strong dollar is not a problem until it hurt G7 country. If a small country like Pakistan or Sri Lanka goes bankrupt, nobody care. So from this level can be counter trend correction or trend reversal. We will decide later, but I expect some dollar weakness from this level. There is no fixed downside target, maybe 50% of this entire move possible, but you can see last two daily candlesticks are struggling to break this level, and you have two reversal candlestick pattern. If you see small time frame like H4, then you have this clear parallel channel chart pattern. So lower trend line is a strong dynamic support level. And if you see Euro USD daily time frame, then you can see same like dollar index, this last bullish wave has retraced 38% and it is testing key horizontal support level. Coronavirus market crash bottom. Now it is testing again, and this level has been tested 2 times. So multiple daily candlesticks are showing big rejection on this level, and now after Fed SEP, you don't need to wait retest of 51.49 level. You can buy now on H1 time frame on this key horizontal support level 63.78, and our first upside target will be this next level 77.26. And you also have this parallel channel. Lower trend line has been tested many times. First upside target is retest of this upper trend line. If channel breakout, then we can say trend reversal is happening. But first target retest of upper trend line. USD JPY, it was down big red candlestick before BOJ, but when they said not immediately but in future they will exit negative interest rate policy, immediately JPY become weak again. So same like Fed, they are playing transitory inflation game. They are waiting until inflation become out of control or recession from USA, Euro and other small country like India fix their inflation problem without rate hike. So after oil, crowd now bullish on USD JPY, they think target is 151. If dollar turn, this pair can also turn and no stop before 137. Dollar index currently does not have clear support level, but USD JPY 137 is only support. If you see GEP JPY, then it break out this yellow trend line before BOJ, but it did not went up same like USD JPY, and lower trend line has clearly broken and your 5 impulsive wave are complete. So if it retraces on 50% retracement level, you can sell again, and first target 176, then 172. CAD JPY, it is testing strong resistance zone. This is fourth attempt, and if it comes down, then this can be your giant inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. And there is a no support before 104.238. So this pair closely follow oil price. So if oil is come down, then this can come down. USD CAD, perfect technical trade setup, horizontal resistance, trend line resistance, and now it tested this horizontal support last week. So right now it is in the middle of support and resistance. If this support level 36,869, if this level break out, then on retest you can easily sell and keep selling until dollar index stay below 105 level. Or if it goes up again, retest this trend line and horizontal resistance both again, then you can sell. USD CHF, it is testing strong horizontal resistance level. Now it is time for possible inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Dollar index testing big resistance. So if dollar goes down, then you can sell here with SL above resistance and targeting this support zone 88,595. Once price reach there, then we will decide where dollar will go next, up or down. Silver, different price action compared to gold. Chart pattern, now price is trading in middle of the chart pattern, but next upside target is retest of upper trend line, and after breakout it will give you one small retest entry on H4 time frame, immediately buy and targeting new high of $26. Bitcoin still trading above key horizontal support level. If upper trend line breakout, then you can buy on retest of trend line or 28 horizontal support level, but bullish above 25 to 70 level. US oil daily time frame, perfect retest of 93 horizontal resistance. Now it is coming down and big support 82. And after this interview, everything have changed.
So that's a shame. BRICS is not about political alignments. So if you look at the G20, you have like two groups inside the G20. You have the G7 and you have BRICS inside G20.
So he has given new definition. G7 plus BRICS is equal to G20. SP 500, that inverted head and shoulder chart pattern is working great. Now it is coming down and testing 43.25 big horizontal support level. Next 41.95. If both support level break out, then you can say soft landing has already ended when Fed forecasted no recession. Since that forecast, it is coming down and now it is ready to make first lower low. Or if this support survive, it is a strong support level, now testing third time. Then it can easily go above 4600. So trade carefully. Same with NASDAQ. Inverted head and shoulder chart pattern was clear on this chart. Now it is coming down. And big horizontal support 13,720. Dow Jones, now it is coming down and this strong trend line is broken. So Fed is forecasting very long rate pause and 10-year bond hitting 4.5% is bad sign for stocks. So back to dollar index. Short term dollar is bearish from this level. And how low it will go from this level, we will decide next week, next month, which depend on big news like government shutdown.